this is Linda Aman Arts. Welcome to my world. And I wanted to show you what is coming up soon for a class. It's called Steampunk, but actually it's a lot of how to do your own memory piece. So you can see here that I've got all kinds of gears and keys and copied off items that I supply in class. And some of these are like my grandfather's time charts. This here is part of that. I have some old letters of my mother's that I kind of incorporate in. So you can put all different kinds of family pieces or a topic. If you know someone that likes sewing, you can put in threads and different kinds of patterns and all kinds of ideas. So we're going to be using some different stencils, and that will give us our textural. So the first time we do the class that we meet, we do all the textural background, give it time to dry. Then the next, and help you to know to go home, find all the things that you want to put in your own memory piece. The next day we come back and incorporate all those things, and then it becomes a unique personal painting that along the way you learn to use all these materials that you can use in other mixed medias of your work. So come join us. I hope that you will enjoy this class soon with us, and put a thumbs up or give us a comment if you enjoyed the information here. Linda Aman Arts, welcome to my world.